Hello students, so now we are going to do the part 1 of our reading part of IELTS, IELTS. So these are some questions 1 to 8 and 9 to 13 which will come further. Note it down in your notebook first. Yeah, once you have noted it down, then I'm going to explain, means the teacher is going to explain you the rest part, and then he will explain you how to write the answers for the same. So write your questions 1 to 8 and 9 to 13 in your notebook first, so that when the questions are explained, the paragraph is explained, you will be able to understand it much clearly.
Hello students. Hello students. So today we are going to see IELTS reading. The name of the IELTS reading is The Importance of Children's Play. So I have provided you the paragraph or the reading on your screen. You can just pause the video and read the whole paragraph, or if you have the hard copy of it, you can read from the hard copy itself. So first you pause the video and read the whole paragraph. After reading the whole paragraph, you can then play my video for the answers. So as you see, the first question is, building a magical kingdom may help develop dash. So what it helps for developing? So as you can see, go in the first paragraph. Your answer is right over there. The word creativity. Okay, the word creativity. Yes, right. That's the answer. Second, board games involve dash and turn taking. Okay, board games involve dash and turn taking. The answer is in second paragraph. Okay, the answer is in second paragraph in the third line. Yes, in the third line. There's a word written rules. Okay, the answer is rules. rules, rules. Next, population of dash have grown. Population of dash have grown. So your answer is in, no, it's not in the third paragraph. Your first answer is in first paragraph, second answer is second paragraph. That doesn't mean your answer will be in third paragraph. Okay, so your answer is in fifth paragraph, first and second line. There's a word cities. Population of cities have grown. Right. Next is opportunity for free play are limited due to fear of dash and fear of dash. So there will be two words for it. So either you can write in both the things, any sequence you can use. Your answer is same paragraph, the fifth paragraph. Try finding out the answers. Opportunity for free play are limited due to fear of, yes, the fear of traffic. The fear of traffic and the fear of crime. It's right there. Yes. The answer is traffic and crime. Second is increasing dash in schools. In the same paragraph, the answer is increasing dash in schools. As you can see nowadays in the school, what has increasing? Your competition. So the answer is in the last line, competition. Yes. Next is international policies on children's play. It is difficult to find dash to support new policies. Seventh one, it is difficult to find dash to support new policies. The answer is in sixth para, the last line. It is evidence. 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 It is difficult to find evidence to support new policies. Next, research needs to study the impact of play on the rest of the children's dash. On the rest of the children's dash. Go directly to the para 8. The last line, the last word is yes, life. That's the answer. So here we have finished 1 to 8. In this, you have to write only one word answer. I forgot to tell you in the starting, but you have to use one word only. You cannot use two words. Before writing any answer, first you have to read what is written in the question. Next, we are going to see So now we are going to see true, false and not given. That is from question number 9 to question number 13. You just have to write true, false or not given. So I'm going to read the ninth one. Children with good self-control are known to be likely to do well at school later on. So the answer is true. So you find the answer in the para 11. In the study, yeah, that is the para. So the line clearly shows that children with self-control do well in the long run later on. So the answer for the question is true. Next, the way a child plays may provide information about possible medical problems. Yes. So the answer for this is true. It is given in para 13, where Dr. Gibson is talking about autism. Here, the line clearly shows that the way child plays can be used to identify a medical problem. Next, 11. Playing with dolls was found to benefit girls writing more than boys writing. So 11th, I think I have not read about it. So the answer for this is yes. So for the answer for this is not given. See, para 14 it is written, but there is no comparison between girls writing and boys writing. Okay, so the answer for 11th is not given. Next is, children had problem thinking up ideas when they first created the story with Lego. It is false. See, para 15 in line 3rd to 5, children wrote longer. Yeah? Yes. There you can find the answer is false. The last question is, people nowadays regard children play as less significant than they did in the past. See, it is true. It is written in the first line itself. First line of your para. It is written. Your answer is right over there. People nowadays regard children play as less significant than they did in the past. So I hope you have got all your answers right. For more videos, like our channel, subscribe to it. You will be getting more and more videos of reading IELTS.